How to create an account on Bandai Namco. If you don't know what that is, Bandai Namco is an multinational video game company that is originally based from Japan. So let's see how you can create an account there. First, you want to open your web browser and search for Bandai Namco. And here you will see this is the official website right here. This is for Europe and this is the official website. Once you open it. Now what you want to do is once you're on the official website of Bandai Namco, you want to click right here on this profile icon. You'll see two options. If you already have an account, that's great. You can just log in from here. But if you don't have an account, then you can click on the sign up. It will take you to another page where you can sign up. So from here, click on sign up for free, or again, if you already have an account, you can simply log in from here. But if you don't have one, click here, sign up for free, and click on continue because you will be redirected to another web page. Originally, it will be on Japanese, but you can translate it to English. From here, you can enter your email address, your password. You can sign up with other accounts as well, like Apple ID, your Line ID, Facebook, Twitter, Google, Nintendo account, your PlayStation account, Xbox, Steam, and Twitch. For now, I'm just going to continue with Google, and I'm going to sign up with my Google account, and it will ask you for your date of birth right here, and you can enter your date of birth. Then here you can see all of the terms of service, privacy and policy, and everything. You can enter. You can check out all of these and click on agree, then continue. And now you can choose your Google account. I'm going to choose this one right here. Click continue. And after that, it will again take you to another page to complete your sign up process. So just click on all of these boxes. You can accept all of these, but you can decline all as well. And now your sign up process is complete. You can see your customer ID as well. You can copy it and keep it in a safe place, or take a screenshot of the page. So once you do that, you can take a screenshot and complete your account profile. Now you can enter your email address to verify. I'm just going to enter mine. And they will send a code to this email to verify. And I'm just going to check my email right here. So you have to enter this 6-digit code that they've sent to your email. I'm just going to open my email right here. And as you can see, this is the 6-digit code right here. I'm just going to copy it and paste the code to verify. And now your sign up process is complete. So you can tap on proceed to service. This will take you to the official website again. And as you can see, now I have been logged into my account right here. I can see an option, my account, and log out. And that's how you can easily create a new account on Bandai Namco. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.